In this video, you'll learn how to change your login password on the OKX Wallet app. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your account and ensure your information remains protected. Begin by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the grid icon consisting of 9 squares, usually located in the bottom navigation bar. Tap on this icon to proceed to the next screen. After tapping the 9 squares, you will see a variety of options. Locate and tap the profile icon, which is typically situated in the top left corner of the screen. This action will direct you to your account profile. In your account profile, look for the option labeled Settings. Tapping on this will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, navigate to the section titled Security or Security Center. This area contains options related to your account's security settings. Tap on it to access further security features. Within the security settings, find and select Login password. This option will allow you to change your existing password. Once you tap on it, you will be prompted to proceed with changing your password. To change your password, first enter your current password in the designated field. After entering the current password, move on to the next field where you will input your new password. Ensure that your new password meets any required security criteria. You will then need to confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. This step is crucial to ensure that you have entered the new password correctly. Once all fields are filled out, tap confirm to finalize the process. After tapping confirm, you may see a message indicating that your password has been changed successfully. This confirmation assures you that your new password is now active and you can use it for future logins.